students, welcome to our I Love Maths channel. Today I am going to teach you 7th Mathematics CBSE syllabus. Okay, Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimal. Before that you have to remember what is fraction. Okay, so fraction. A fraction is any part of a group or number. Fraction means any part in a group or number. That means suppose for example you are going to divide a circle. Okay, so this half part is called fraction, that we can write 1 by 2. How? The half part we can write 1 and totally how many parts is there, that we have to write in denominator, that is 2. Okay, this is called fraction. Now in fraction there are 3 fractions, that is proper fraction, improper fraction, and one more is a mixed fraction. Let's see what is proper fraction. Okay, proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. That means numerator value less than denominator. If numerator value is small means that is called proper fraction. Okay, for example 1 by 4, because numerator value is small here, denominator is big number. Okay, next improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is greater than denominator. So numerator value will be greater than denominator. That means big number will be in numerator and small number will be in denominator. That is called improper fraction. So here 5 by, for example 5 by 2. Okay, 5 is big number, 2 is a small number. Okay. Next one, mixed fraction. Okay, what is mixed fraction? A number written as a whole number with proper fraction. Any number written as a whole number. Okay, with some proper fraction. Proper fraction means I told you numerator is less than denominator. Any whole number written with proper fraction, that is called mixed fraction. Okay, for example 3 1 by 2, 5 1 by 3, like that. Okay. Now we are going to see what is equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction definition. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction, are both multiplied by same number. Numerator and denominator both we have to multiply by same number, any number. Okay, the result is an equivalent fraction. The result is an equivalent fraction. For example, 1 by 2 is there. This is numerator, this is denominator. We are going to multiply by 2, both. Okay, numerator and denominator both going to multiply by 2. So the answer is 2 by 4. This is called equivalent fraction. In the same way you can multiply with 3 by 3. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, and then you can multiply with 5. 1 into 5, 2 into 5. That means 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. If you multiply any fraction with the same number in numerator and denominator, the result is called equivalent fraction. Okay. Okay. Now this one we can see with activity. Okay. Now we are going to see equivalent fraction with activity. Okay, I have 4 steps here. Okay, first one, you have to check this one, the shaded part. Okay, shaded part is you have to write in numerator. So here shaded part is 1, so I will write in numerator, and denominator, totally how many parts is there, that you can write in denominator. So 1/2. Okay, next one you can check next step. Shaded, there are 4 parts, 1 2 3 4. So totally how many parts, that you can write in denominator. So 4 is here. How many parts shaded here? 1 2, so you can write in numerator. Then third step, totally how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6, that you can write in denominator. And shaded parts 1 2 3, that you can write in numerator. Now we can check next step. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, totally 8 parts, that you can write in denominator. And how many parts shaded for? 1 2 3 4, that you can write in numerator. Okay, now we have to compare all the strips. Is it equal or not? Okay, let's see. Now I am going to compare this one to first strip. Is this equal? Yes. Now I am going to compare third step to this. Yes, this also equal. Now I am going to compare last one. Yes, this also equal. So 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, these are the equivalent fraction. If you compare second one to first step, is this equal? Yes. Now compare third one. Yes, this also equal. Now compare fourth strip. Yes, this also equal. So these are the equivalent fraction. Okay. The denominator will be doubled by numerator. If for example numerator is 1 here, the denominator is 2. This one is doubled by numerator. Yes, the same way 2 is here, the denominator is 4. The denominator is doubled by numerator. Yes, the same way 3/6. That means 6 is a double of 3, and 4/8. 8 is a double of 4, like that. Okay. Write example sum. Write 5 equivalent fraction of 3/5. Okay, this is the question. Now we are going to find what is the equivalent fraction. 5 equivalent fraction. Okay, I told you have to multiply numerator and denominator with same number. Is it? So 3/5 you have to multiply by 2. So 3 multiply 2 divided by 5 multiply 2. So 6/2. Sorry, 6/10. In the same way, you can multiply by 3. 3/3. So 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Next 4/4. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. 3/5. 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Then 6/6. 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. Yes. Till 6 we have to multiply. Why? Because in question they ask 5 equivalent fractions. So 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 equivalent fractions. Write the 5 equivalent fraction of any fraction, means you have to do the same way. Okay.